Okay, so what I'm going to go over today is lofting and what you need to know about it. So you're going to start off with circles. Okay, so basically you're just going to make a bunch of circles. Now you can just continually make circles. Whoops, I don't think I have center point on. You can just continually make circles of varying diameters. Okay, for this project, anything really that you want. And what you need to do is just make at least 6. So this is going to be, okay. And actually, I think I want another one that's about this big. Okay. Now, once you have those drawn up, you're going to put it in isometric. All right. And I want you to have your ortho mode on, so it can only go straight up. And what you're going to do is you're going to decide what's going to be the base of your vase. Okay, you need to decide it. And I'm going to stick with this one here being my base. All right, and this one's going to be the next one I use. So I'm just going to move it. And for this, I don't even need to be on the object because I really don't want to be grabbing onto any other snap, because if I do that, then I might run into an issue where the snap precedes or overrides, is the word I'm looking for, the actual movement up, straight up. So I see here that it's ortho. My rise is about 2.8. I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm just going to put that in. And then if this is coming up, say this is coming up from here to here. Now the next one I want to do is I want to move this one. Okay. And then I'm going to move this one. Okay, and you can kind of see it moving in plane if you want. If that helps you. And then I'm going to move this one all the way up here. And then I'm going to take my little one here and I'm going to move it. And I'm probably going to move it a little bit higher, maybe something like that. Okay, so now I have my 6 circles all in a plane. So what Loft is going to do is it's going to combine the 2D objects into a 3D solid. So I'm going to select it. And then I select everything that I want to loft together, and you'll start to get these lines. However, it'll become a single line, and it'll look like you did nothing. And you want to do cross sections. And so, yeah, there's your loft, right? Well, if you go into conceptual, you'll see that you actually have this strange looking base, which this is pretty hideous, but that's okay. Because guess what? I can manipulate the points of my circles if I want to. And maybe I don't really like the girth of this circle. So I'm going to bring it in a little bit. And then I'm going to bring this one in a little bit, maybe. Okay. And then I think I'll still bring in this top one just a little bit. The more you have, the smoother it'll be. I just did 6 to make it easier on you guys. Okay. So say this is my base. All right. So now I have a solid object. All right. And that's basically what you're going to do until you get to shelling it. Okay. So once we do that, you'll see how you make it hollow.